What's going on, Unique Style Racing team? So I'm having an issue, which I already emailed and they told me to shoot a video. So this is the video for it. As you can see, I have the turn signal here, the aftermarket turn signal from you guys, and I have the stock turn signal on this side. So the issue that I'm having is that this one, when the truck is running, the whole left side, or where if I put both of them on, that whole side or all the turn signals don't work at all. They flash for a quick second and then they don't work at all unless I turn my headlights all the way to the on position. Otherwise my turn signals do not work. So I'm gonna give you a quick example. So the truck is off. I'm gonna turn the turn signals on. As you can see, they work. Let me just show you. It's working. Same for the factory. Again, I have LED turn signals. The fronts don't require resistors, and in the rear I have also LED turn signals, but they do have a resistor. So, and they all work. The problem starts once I put the turn signal, the mirror turn signal. That's when the lights don't work. As you can see, they work. I'm gonna put the truck. I'm gonna put the truck running in the on position, but not running. As you can see, the turn signal still works. And same for the factory. The problem starts once I start the truck up. You'll see. Again, this is the aftermarket stock. Everything works. So let me go ahead and start the truck real quick. 1 second. Let me put the phone down. Let me just give it a quick second. Here we go. So the aftermarket left side, look at it, how it blinks. And that's it. My turn signal doesn't work. And now I'm gonna put it to the factory side. It works. Let me show you again. And that's it. So the only way to get it for me to work, turn the lights all the way on, and now it works. Let me show you here. So let me turn the turn signal off. So it works on fog lights. If I turn the lights to daytime running lights, it doesn't work. Factory works, aftermarket doesn't. Hopefully this video helps troubleshoot. Maybe any ideas of what might be going on. As you can see, blinks once, and so it's still on. See, but nothing works. All my turn signals don't work. And then the factory side again, working properly. Alright guys, let me know what I can do to get this issue fixed, because yeah, my turn signals don't work when I have them on. So again, the Unique Style Racing turn signal, and here we have the factory. The reason I have it open is just for demonstration purposes, because I plan on putting the factory one back on so my turn signals work. Alright guys, hopefully this helps, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna send this link to I believe it was Eric I'm talking to, and let me know what I can do to fix this. Thanks.